Facts and all. Join us to explore, educate, empower your knowledge.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts and All. Today we are talking about one of the most versatile and nutritious foods out there, chickpeas. Chickpeas are a powerhouse ingredient. Let's dive into 8 reasons why you should definitely include chickpeas in your diet. First up, chickpeas are loaded with plant-based protein. If you are a vegetarian, vegan, or just trying to cut back on meat, chickpeas are a great protein alternative. In fact, 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you around 15 grams of protein, which supports muscle repair, growth, and overall body function. Chickpeas are also rich in fiber, which is great for your digestive health. A single serving offers about 12.5 grams of dietary fiber, which helps in promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and reduce the risk of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome. Are you trying to manage your weight? Chickpeas can help with that too. Thanks to their high fiber content, they keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can reduce the urge to snack between meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to lose or manage weight. Peas have a low glycemic index. This makes them a great food choice for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. The fiber and protein in chickpeas help prevent spikes in blood sugar. Chickpeas are heart-friendly. They contain several nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients help regulate blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber in chickpeas also aid in reducing LDL cholesterol levels. The fiber in chickpeas not only aids in regular digestion, but also serves as a prebiotic, feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut. These are packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, folate, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, including red blood cell production, immune support, and energy metabolism. Folate, in particular, is important for pregnant women as it supports fetal development. Peas contains antioxidants like polyphenols which help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and promoting overall health and longevity. Lastly, chickpeas are incredibly versatile. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, blend them into hummus, toss them to stews and curries. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 8 fantastic reasons to start incorporating chickpeas into your diet. Whether you want to boost your protein intake, support heart health, or just enjoy a tasty meal, chickpeas have got you covered. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.